wife's at work, the kids are remote learning, so it's just you and me. Now, those of you who are new to the channel, you know we went from flat ceilings to vaulted ceilings, put insulation up, put a venting system in, put tongue and groove board, faux beams, put recessed sliding up, new electrical, put the sheetrock up, which we are going to sand and paint today, and then move down to get these floors that are looking like this, make them straight and level. Let's go! Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is start getting these walls all sanded, then I'm going to paint, and then I'm going to move down to the floors and get this prepped right. Alright guys, granted I know I probably should have installed this ceiling fan after I did my sanding and painting, but I just wanted to impress the wife. A little compressed air will take care of that. Now, it's time to prime these walls. Alright guys, the first coat of primer has been applied to the walls. Now we're going to jump down to the floors. Let's see what we can try to do to get this floor leveled out.
First off, don't pay attention to this steps because we need to fix it. But you see that piece of wood right there? A mess. And then do you see that slant? Bam! Right, baby? It looks real bad.
Oh my God. So this is what it is. This was not an enclosed porch to begin with. And they finally enclosed it, but they left the slant. That we gotta deal with.
You're a hot mess. You are such a loser. This was not planned, guys.
I can't stand up.
A hot mess is what he is. I can't.
I can't stand up. Let's fix this. Alright, so what I'm doing here, I'm gonna vacuum up this whole entire floor. I don't want any debris on this floor, so I can start doing my leveling. Okay guys, the plan is I'm gonna level this floor with my long level here. What I'm gonna do is take the right side of my level, plant it as close down to the floor as possible, level it off, and draw my line underneath the level, and that'll put me right where my 2x4 is gonna go. There's 2B. All right guys, so I got my level. I got my line here, and it looks like I may be able to get away with a 2x4, or I may have to cut a 2x6. I'm not sure. Look at it. Who's that? Who's that over there watching me?
I need paper for Mother's Day.
You need what?
Paper.
Come here. Give me a hug. Oh my gosh, all this hair. All right, bye.
I need paper for Mother's Day.
Well, I can't give you paper right now, honey.
Could I use Mom's Bible paper?
Well, you're gonna have to ask Mom for that one. You can get me in trouble with that one. Go and give Mom some love with that. Mother's Day is coming up. All right, bye. All right, guys, so I see where my line is. I put a screw in right where that line is. I did the same thing for the other side over there. I'm gonna tie a string to each screw, snap chalk it in the middle. It'll make my line exactly where I should put my board. Okay, all right. I have my line. So I'm gonna put a shim here, but as I go, I'm gonna need a 2x6 cut to length. I got my line going all the way across. Snap chalked it, made it really quick. I'm gonna have to cut that door. I'm more than likely get rid of that door. Time to go shopping. You guys ready?
Oh yeah!
Okay, all right.
Now we're ready.
Okay, we are at Home Depot. We need some wood and plywood. How many sheets of wood?
16?
No, we need
66.
3 sheets of plywood. How many beams do we need?
16 2x8.
16 2x4x8. Let's go get them. All right, now we're gonna get the plywood. Let's go. Okay, so we gotta stop by, run by the aisle, get some screws, and we got ourselves some pouches. The boys are always helping me, so they got their own pouches. How about that, huh? That's what you get for helping me? You get new stuff. So it looks like we're gonna start tomorrow. I think that's gonna be the case. Sun's gone down, and yeah, we gotta. Okay, the package is more important than stacking the wood. They think it's for them. Guys, come on, guys, stack the wood. I'm gonna bring up the plywood. Oh my God. Okay guys, first things first, we're gonna have Justin screw in our beams, get the perimeter all laid out, and then Javen's gonna follow with the screw gun. You guys ready?
It's showtime. Yep.
Let's go! Alright guys, so we installed our top plate. This is very important because we want our plywood to rest right on top of this. And now we're gonna cut our sides. This is the more challenging part because this has to be shimmed. So tell them the process.
So basically, we just have to cut the walls when we put the pieces for the floor, of course. It's gonna be leveled and nothing's gonna slide down.
Which we don't
and
want.
we also have to cut this door.
Okay.
So
this door right here.
have
Yeah.
also another level part of the room.
Yeah.
And then we either are gonna get a new door, or it's gonna be the same door. Let's make the cut.
Let's go! Alright guys, so since I have my first one that I cut here, I'm going to use this as a template to cut for all the rest. Alright, so I got all my 2x4s cut. Now I'm going to cut my cross members to give myself a little bit more sturdiness. 14.5 inches is what I'm looking for.
I nailed these things down even though you couldn't see me do it. I did all the work, okay? Just so you guys know.
She did all
of
this.
it.
All of it.
In honor of Mother's Day.
She must want a good gift.
No, I want to leave.
So hubby is going to be cutting the door to fit right here, even though we want to switch this door. For right now, we're going to be keeping it because we don't have a new door. So he's going to cut it because the floors is level, baby. They are leveled. And now we just need to make sure that door fits right. Right, honey? Go ahead, baby. Let's see if it fits.
Ooh.
cold today too, right?
Yeah, it's kind of.
It's kind of. I'm freezing.
Good enough. Good. All right.
Just to keep the door closed. There's the biggest crack down there. Look. But this is good. There's a crack up there. There's a crack. Not a crack, but it's look at the top.
Yeah? Oh no. We got cracks everywhere.
But in our defense, we didn't do the top one. We just did the bottom one. Guys, temporary fix, but it's looking gorgeous.
Listen, it is Mother's Day tomorrow. So you know we gotta bring the kids out, we gotta get the cars ready, gotta get everything ready for Mama right there behind the camera.
Whoop, whoop.
So we are signing off. We will see you guys next week, and we are gonna look to trying to see what's we're gonna be on the floor. We don't know what we're gonna do yet, but my wife has some plans and some things we have up in store for you.
Yes, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers
Yes.
out there. May you have a beautiful day.
Bye bye. See you next week.
Bye.